How to log into Home Depot credit card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Home Depot credit card online. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Home Depot credit card login. After you search for that, you'll find your different websites available. You can head over to this city.com as well. So there are two options. Let's just go to both of those. As you can see, one is by Home Depot itself. So this site's not working. So let me just close that up and right here. So from here, you can simply log in. You can type in your user ID and then your password. Enter your user ID here and then your password right here. And after you do that, you can tap on sign on to sign in into your Home Depot credit card account. And that's how easy it is, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And bye bye. Take care.